Colors. Red, red.
Red ripe apples taste delicious for snack.
Blue, blue.
Blue big sky looks beautiful with clouds.
Green, green.
Green grass grows tall in the garden.
Yellow, yellow.
Yellow sunny sun shines brightly in the sky.
Orange, orange.
Orange juicy oranges are my favorite fruit.
Purple, purple.
Purple pretty flowers bloom in the garden.
Black, black.
Black night sky filled with twinkling stars.
White, white.
White fluffy clouds float peacefully above.
Gray, gray.
Gray gentle elephants roam the savannah.
Pink, pink.
Pink playful pigs roll in the mud.
Family and people. Continuation of this full video is in the description. Title of the video: Basic Fist 100 Words for Beginners. Thanks for watching the video. Like, share, and subscribe our channel.